I mean, I think one of the massive successes for my race, and one of the reasons for the good performance that I was able to do in an old boat, was because we really thought hard about upgrading the electronics packages on board, and we made sure that we were going for, you know, stuff that I could really rely on, but would also help the boat and me perform. And what we used are, so we used the Actisense NGW1 gateways, because my my main electronics package was from NKE, so that's my autopilot and my wind instruments and all the environmental data. So that's using NMEA 0183, and I wanted to upgrade to the Raymarine radar, the Doppler radar, because that's really easy to use. The interface for it is easy to set alarms and that sort of thing, and that's on NMEA 2000. And so I needed a couple of gateways so that I could transfer both my AIS data and my environmental data from the NKE into the Raymarine. And actually you can see it there now. So that's the radar on. And I've got my depth there, and that meant that I kind of had a one-stop shop really for when I was sleeping. I could set my AIS alarm, I could set a radar alarm, I could also set wind alarms through the Raymarine in one place, and then that just gave me the confidence to go to sleep, and if anything changed, then I would have an audible alarm that woke me up.